You know what's crazy? We live in a world where everyone's shouting to be heard, but almost no one really listens. Now imagine if you could flip that script and become someone who actually makes people feel truly heard. Let me take you on a journey back to the early 1900s. There was a guy named Carl Rogers who changed the game in psychology. This guy was so smart he could read before kindergarten. But what really made him stand out was his revolutionary approach to therapy called active listening. So how did he become a great active listener? And no, it's not just sitting quietly while someone talks. Step 1. Be there. Picture this. You're chatting with a friend, but you're mentally scrolling through your phone. Bad move. Put your phone away, make eye contact, and focus on what they're saying. Imagine you're a detective solving the case of their feelings. Step 2. Reflect back. Try repeating back what you hear, but in your own words. If your friend says, "I had a rough day at work," you might respond with, "So, it sounds like your workday was really stressful." Step 3. Use minimal encouragers. These are small things you can do to show you're engaged. Think of it as giving little thumbs ups that say, "Yep, I'm right here with you." Step 4. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking yes or no questions, try asking questions that invite more detail. If someone mentions they're worried about a project, ask, "What's been the hardest part for you?" Step 5. Validate their feelings. When someone is sad or upset, let them know you get it. It's like giving their feelings a high five. Step 6. Practice emotion labeling. Try to name the emotions they're expressing. Even if you're not perfect, it helps them feel understood. Step 7. Avoid interrupting. Let them finish their thoughts before jumping in with your own ideas. Interrupting is like cutting in line. It's not cool and it can mess up the flow of the conversation. Step 8. Be patient. Sometimes people need a moment to find the right words. Don't rush them. By practicing these steps, you'll become an amazing listener, making your conversations more meaningful and impactful. It's a simple way to connect with people on a deeper level. Because you watched this video till the end, you're now one step better than 99% of people. Thanks for watching, and until next time.